Hello guys, my name is Irene Amimo. Please welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe. So today I'm going to take you a process here, a very simple process of how to make very simple pancakes. Please welcome, feel free to comment, like, and please guys don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. So guys, let's get to work. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. First, I have my unga. This is the one which remained siku ya Christmas. Sasa ndio libaki, yet I'm going to use a portion of the flour. Then this is the sugar. I won't use all of it, of course. I'll just measure. I don't know how to measure, but I know how to measure with my eyes. I don't know if that's making sense. Then this is the milk. I don't know if you are seeing it, but this is the milk I'm going to use. I'm using just a little of it since my sister is not a fan of milk. Then I'm just going to use one egg. Of course, it's a kienyeji. By the way, guys, I really love kienyeji eggs. I don't know why, but they really make good pancakes. Not even only pancakes, but I just like kienyeji eggs. Then this blue band, this one I'm going to mix with the cooking oil, just a little of it. Then I'll heat it to melt. Then I'll mix it with this oil. The purpose of this blue band is to make the pancakes really soft. Salt, I just forgot it in the kitchen. I'm going to bring it, so you have the salt. So guys, first of all, I'm going to mix. I'm going to pour the flour, a portion. Just that one is enough. Just that one is enough. Then I'm going to add brown sugar. Then guys, please, I forgot about the water. Of course, I'm going to use the water to mix them all together. So yeah, so after pouring the flour into the bowl, I'm going to add sugar. I don't want to put much of the sugar. I think that's enough. It will become so sugary. Then I'm going to add salt. I don't want to put so much of salt, but then huwa niko na shida ya kuweka salt. I really put so much of it. I'm just going to put a portion, just a small portion. That's enough. Then next, I'm using a tablespoon. Is it called a tablespoon? Make sure you don't add so much water since tunataka ikuwe thick, at least thick. You don't want ile solution ikuwe thin sana. By pouring a portion to the hot pan, then you spread it all around to make it look like a circle.
And guys, that's how I do my pancakes. That's how I make them. Thank you for watching. Please welcome back again and again and again and again. And doo-doo, my final pancakes are here. Guys, can you rate them? Thank you. Bye.